Two-time Olympic 100-meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce sped to a spectacular new personal best to highlight the Jamaican performances at Thursday's Wonder Diamond League meet in Lausanne, Switzerland. Spencer Darlington tells us more.
The stage was set for another titanic contest featuring the Jamaican trio of Elaine Thompson-Herah, Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce and Shericka Jackson, who swept the first three places at the recent Olympics in Tokyo and Saturday's Diamond League meet in Eugene, Oregon.
Good start there from Talu, third from right, but look at Fraser Pryce building a lead here, but here comes Thompson-Herah in the green headband. Is she going to get there? Not on this occasion, she's not, no. The pair of them with a 2-meter gap behind them. The winning time, 10.60, and the win, 1.7.
Fraser Pryce, who looked imperious from the start, blitzed her way to a new lifetime best and meet record of 10.60 seconds, bettering her previous personal best of 10.63 seconds, which she had set on June 5.
It was a very good feel, you know, and tonight I'm happy that I stuck to it, you know. Every race is a race and it's a different moment, and you just have to live each moment as they come. So I'm glad I was able to still step to the line, having that vision and trusting the process. And tonight, you know, I'm walking away with a personal best. I'm seriously excited about that.
Thompson-Herah stormed home for the runner-up spot in 10.64 seconds, while Jackson took third in 10.92. It was the third consecutive 100-meter sweep of the top three places by the Jamaicans, following their achievements in Tokyo and Eugene. Elsewhere, there was a podium finish for Olympic finalist and national champion Shanika Ricketts, who cut the sand at 14.52 meters for the runner-up spot in the women's triple jump. The event went to world record holder and Olympic champion Yulimar Rojas of Venezuela with a leap of 15.11 meters. The other Jamaican who contested the event, Kimberly Williams, was fourth with 14.29 meters. Meanwhile, the 5 other Jamaicans who competed found the going tough on the day. Olympic champion Hansel Parchment hit hurdle number 8 and lost momentum to finish 8th in the men's sprint hurdles in 13.58 seconds, while compatriot and Olympic bronze medalist Ronald Levy placed 5th in 13.40 seconds, behind winner Devon Allen of the United States in 13.07. Another Olympic finalist, Candice McLeod, was 5th in the women's 400 meters in 51.26 seconds, while in the women's 400-meter hurdles, Genevieve Russell and Leah Nugent were 6th and 7th respectively in times of 54.89 and 56.41 seconds. The event went to Dutch woman Femke Bol in a meet record of 53.05 seconds. The next stop on the Diamond League circuit will be Paris on Saturday. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.